Follow these 4 steps to check for new Windows updates in Windows 10. 1. Click on the Windows 10 Start button. 2. Click on the Gear Settings icon. 3. Choose Update and Security. 4. Click on Check for Updates. Windows 10 is now checking for new updates. If Windows finds new updates to install, Windows will automatically download the updates. The updates will then be installed immediately, unless you have set a schedule for Windows to install the updates at a specific time. You can follow Gold Star Computers on Facebook and Twitter. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified of new content. Thanks for watching.